Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi everyone, my name is Dineo MKokoena, founder of Ivy's Glam Beauty Bar, and we are based in Movango, Vanderbijl, and I started Ivy's Glam Beauty Bar in 2019. I started the business because I saw a gap in my community whereby we don't have comprehensive beauty bar where you get all your services in one place. So I saw the opportunity to do that. The product that we are offering, we have wigs and we also do your nails, lashes also. Our products are available nationwide through our courier services. Okay, you can choose our product because they are affordable and they are in high quality. So Ivy's Glam, it's for you. Okay, my contact details are, you can WhatsApp me on 072 1923 521, and then on Facebook it's Ivy's Glam, and then on Instagram and TikTok it's Ivy's Glam _01. Hi everyone, my name is Dineo and I am a township entrepreneur.